champions. Welcome to day 6 of our 20 days Hindi reading challenge. Keep educating yourself because learning is a journey, not a race. Every small step you take today is building a strong foundation for tomorrow. You have already come so far with your consistent effort. That itself is a big achievement. Believe in yourself, keep practicing daily, and don't worry about the mistakes. They are proof that you are learning. Stay motivated, confident, and remember, you're absolutely capable of mastering Hindi step by step. Let's move forward with full energy and excitement into day 6. Quick recap of the first row of the lecture. Girl and girl are soft sounds. They are alphabet letters. While curl and girl are strong, airy sounds. They are Mahaka letters. Na gives a nasal sound and is mostly used in the middle of the words like and guru. So remember, k, na. Practice these sounds clearly and confidently every day. Next letter is ch. Its sound is ch, a soft and clear sound. Let us see an example. Chammach, which means spoon in English. We use spoon every day to eat food. Now, let's read the sentence. मैंने चम्मच से खाया. I ate with a spoon. Let's see its toes now. A sleeping line, followed by a U curve and a standing line. Finally, a sure leg on top. I repeat. A sleeping line, a U curve, followed by a standing line, and finally a sure leg on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter ch, pronounce it as ch and think of the word chammach, meaning spoon. The next letter is ch. Its sound is ch, a strong and airy sound. Let's see an example. Chhata, which means umbrella in English. We use an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Now, let's read the sentence. बारिश में छाता ले. Take an umbrella in the rain. Let's see its toes now. An open curve followed by another open curve. Go up straight. Make a circle. Place a small standing line on top of the circle. Finally, a shirarekha on top. I repeat. An open curve followed by another open curve. Go up straight. Make a circle. Place a small standing line on top of a circle. And finally, a shirarekha on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter ch, pronounce it as ch and think of the word chhata, meaning umbrella. The next letter is ja. Its sound is ja, a clear and soft sound. Let us see an example. Jahaz, which means ship in English. A ship travels across the sea carrying people and goods. Now, let's read the sentence. Jahaz samudra mein jata hai, meaning the ship goes into the sea. Let's see its strokes now. A U curve followed by a sleeping line and a standing line. Finally, a shirarekha on top. I repeat. A U curve followed by a sleeping line, a standing line, finally a shirarekha on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter ja, pronounce it as cha and think of the word jahaz, meaning ship. The next letter is j. Its sound is j, a strong and airy sound. Let us see an example. Janda, which means flag in English. A flag is a symbol of pride and unity for a country. Now, let's read the sentence. Jhanda uncha lehraya, meaning the flag was hoisted high. Now, let's see its strokes. A small standing line followed by an open curve, a closed curve, take a turn, a sweeping line in the middle, a standing line, finally a shirareko on top. I repeat, a small standing line, an open curve, a closed curve, take a turn, a curved sweeping line, followed by a standing line, finally a shirareko on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter J, pronounce it as J and think of the word Jhanda, meaning flag. The next letter is Nya. Its sound is Nya, a soft nasal sound, and is rarely used alone in Hindi words. It mostly appears in combined forms like inch and in a special letter called Gye. Let us see an example. Punch, which means 5 in English. We have 5 fingers in each hand. Now, let's read the sentence. पंच उंगलियां हमारे हाथ में होती हैं. Meaning, we have 5 fingers in our hands. Let's see its strokes now. A closed curve, followed by a sweeping line, a standing line, finally a shoulder on top. I repeat, a closed curve, followed by a sweeping line, a standing line, and finally a shoulder on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter Nya, pronounce it as Nya and think of its nasal sound used mainly in combined letters. Basics is complete. What a fantastic journey it's been. You have explored 5 new letters today, each with its own sound, meaning, and example. That's not just progress, that's dedication in action. Hindi is a beautiful language, and you are building your fluency to one confident step at a time. So take a moment to celebrate your effort. You're not just memorizing the letters, you're embracing the culture, the rhythm, and its voice. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Tomorrow brings new letters, new words, and new victories. See you guys on day 7. Thank you.